In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a document in OneDrive in Microsoft Word. If you want your files to be easier to access, backup, and share across devices, saving your Word document to OneDrive is a great option. It helps make sure your work is stored in the cloud, so you can open it later from another computer or even from the web if needed. I'll walk you through the process clearly so it's easy to follow. To begin, open the document in the Word app on your desktop. Make sure the file you want to save is already open and visible on your screen. If you've just finished writing or editing the document, you're already in the right place to continue. Next, move your cursor to the top left corner of Word and click File. This opens the main File menu where you can manage your document and choose different saving options. If you're not used to navigating this area, don't worry. This is where Word gives you access to features like opening, saving, printing, and sharing documents. From the File menu, click Save As. This option is useful because it lets you choose exactly where you want the document to be stored. Instead of saving only to your computer, you'll be able to choose a cloud location such as OneDrive. This is especially helpful if you want your file to sync automatically and stay available wherever you sign in. After that, select OneDrive from the list of available locations. Depending on your setup, you may see OneDrive listed right away, or you may need to choose it from your connected accounts or recent save locations. Once you select OneDrive, Word will prepare to save your document there instead of just on your local device. Now, choose the file location you want to use in OneDrive, then click Save. This final step stores your Word document in your OneDrive account. If needed, you can also confirm the file name before saving, especially if you want to keep your document organized and easy to find later. Once the file is saved, your document will be stored in OneDrive and available across your signed-in devices. That means you can come back to it later without relying only on the desktop where you created it. As a helpful tip, using clear file names can make it much easier to locate documents in your cloud storage, especially if you save a lot of files regularly. And that's how to save a document in OneDrive in Microsoft Word.